Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I decided to create something a little bit more natural, a little bit more wearable, and of course a look that does not have a cut crease or a defined crease. So I just wanted to switch it up for you guys. But if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. And I'm only using 2 shades in this palette, but I absolutely love every shade in here for a transition color. I think that this coral shade that we're using right here is absolutely stunning. So I'm just popping this into my outer corner with this big fluffy brush. And we are focusing this on that outer corner. So just really laying down that color and making sure it's most pigmented right on that outer corner with whatever we have left over on the brush. That's what we're using to blend inward. And then I'm grabbing this really small brush and this pink magenta shade, and we're just packing this onto the outer corner once again, and I'm trying to apply this in the most blended way possible. And once again, like we did with the first shade, just really focusing that on that very outer edge, and then going back into the first fluffy shade and the coral shade as well. And we're just gonna kind of merge those shades together and just make sure that everything is nice and blended. Super simple. I think that anybody can really achieve this look. Next, I'm going into this Anastasia of Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and I just kind of applied this with this brush just on the inner half of my lid. So for glitter, I'm using this brand new Anastasia of Beverly Hills glitter, and the shade of this glitter is Day 2, that's the name of it. And it's a really beautiful gold iridescent glitter, and I just packed that onto my inner half of my lid. Next, I'm going into this Anastasia of Beverly Hills black liquid liner, and I love the felt tip on this brush because it has so much precision. So I'm just getting as close to my lash line as possible. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bora lashes. If you guys want to check out Cruelty-Free Faux Mink lashes, the link to check out our lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then for the lower lash line, we're keeping it super simple. So first I went into that light coral shade, and I just primarily focused that on the outer corner, and then going into the magenta shade and my angled brush, once again just focusing that on the inner corner and then blending the two together. And then for lashes, I'm just grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then the very last thing that we're doing for this look, I just grabbed my Pixie Beauty highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I just popped that onto my inner corner, and this is the finished look. Super simple. I only used 2 eyeshadows and 1 glitter. So if you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag us. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!